Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a great day today. Another record-breaking day. Making money consistently. We love that. It's all good. And tonight we have two earnings here on the main channel. We've got Soundhound on the extra channel with Sensei. We've got Funware as requested by Craig. So we're very excited about that. And also in an hour from now, I will be having an interview, a preliminary interview with Jin, who is the CEO of WidePoint, going to be on the show coming up in a few weeks. So we're going to be doing that. All right, great stuff, excellent indeed. So welcome everybody. As you can see, it's another record-breaking week again, and again 83,289, all from $5,000. It's incredible to watch it like this. That's what investing is all about. As you can see here, the fear index is moving towards neutral. We're warming up again, which is incredible. I would have said we were more really in greed, but no. So it just gives you confidence that there's more to come of this. Which is very, very nice indeed. We love it. Anyway, there you go. Let's have a look at what else we've got. Let's welcome everybody in over on the extra channel. Sensei's ready tonight for his event. Welcome everybody on the extra channel. Good conversation going on there between Zach, War Heights, John, very active today. Lovely. Thank you to all of you. Absolutely brilliant. Stephen, yeah, thank you very much. Congratulations, Martin. 83,000. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's wow, isn't it? I mean, I've never had $83,000. That's the richest I've ever been in my entire life. There's never been any point in my life where I've had more money than that. I mean, bearing in mind, of course, it's only paper money. If I sell it all today, I've got $83,000 in my hand. Of course, there'll be tax to pay on that, but there you go. Anyway, we've also got another thing to celebrate. We're talking about our subscribers growing faster and faster every day. 23,000 only yesterday. It was the night before last, and we're already at 23,142, heading towards that amazing 100,000. That's the one. That's what I've really, really set my heart on, to get that silver play button from YouTube. Very excited to get that. Really, really am. That will be a really, really amazing day for me. Okay, let's have a look. Let's check our feeds are all good around the studio. We're good. Let me check in on check in on Rumble. Let's have a look. Let's see how everyone's doing on Rumble. Let me refresh the screen and bring it up. All around the studio, we're good. Very nice indeed. And we've only got an hour to go, and I will be ending right on the button today. I will be waiting because I've got an interview at 3 o'clock and with WidePoint. So we're going to ring the bell and end straight away. Yes, indeed. Right. Hey up, Banana Heads. How you doing? Congratulations on new high, Martin. Yeah, I know. I can't believe it. Congratulations, Mike. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Congrats, Martin. Thank you. Hey, Martin, could you take a quick look at ZPTA, Zapata Computing? Yes, I can. Of course I can. You're one of my members. Jay Ling, or is it Jay Long? I don't know where that came from the other day, but anyway. ZPTA, Zapata. Okay, let's have a quick look. As you can see, it's down today. It's $1.19. It's only been out since 22. This looks familiar to me. This looks a bit like the stock we reviewed today. Exactly the same path. Exactly the same. That's interesting. That's exactly the same chart. Exactly to the day and everything that we did today with it was NIVF. Next generation IVF. That was exactly like that. That's interesting. Literally identical. How strange. Wow. Look, let me share this. Look at this. You watch, it'll be completely different, and I'll go, well, I don't know what I was talking about. But anyway, NIVF. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Zapata Computing out in 22. Next gen out in 22. Straight line, up and down. Look at that. Look at that. Virtually identical. Price-wise and everything. Look at that. Same inception date. Two completely different companies based in different countries around the world and exactly the same. How often do you see that? Well, well, well. What do you make of that? What do you make of that? Anyway, very odd. There you go. You never know what's around the corner, do you? Unbelievable. Anyway, Zapata Computing. Yes, we're talking computers, technology, mobile networks tonight, security with WidePoint. They're on the show, or they're not on the show. They're just calling in to discuss their event on the show in a few weeks' time. So anyway, in fact, what day was that? It was 22nd of May, yeah. 22nd of May, just a few weeks away, actually. Right, Iberian Wolf. Hi, Martin. Could you look at EPAM? Amazing balance sheet on Alpha Spread, but it's down 25% with positive earning news. Thank you. Yes, EPAM. Let's have a quick look. EPAM. 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 Another. Wow. Wow, down 25% today. Fell off a cliff today. Yes. What is that? They reported today earnings. Was that today? 232. They beat on earnings. Was that today? Was that earnings today? Replay earnings call. Let me have a quick look. Let's see if that was today. The event was May the 9th. It was today. So basically, I'm imagining their guidance, they beat on earnings, but their earnings is diminishing. Their guidance must have been tough. That's probably why. They beat on earnings. Rough waters ahead. Let me look at their balance sheet just very quickly. We're not doing reviews right now. We just did a review this morning. We just put one out, but let me have a look at that. That's EPAM, EPAM. EPAM Systems. Let's have a look. Undervaluation by 41%. 4 billion, 2 billion in cash. Long-term debt is nothing. 26 million out of it. Yeah, I see what you mean. Good balance sheet. Good margins. Yeah, profitability. Yeah. Yeah. Insiders sold. No short interest. This does look good. This does look a good company. Wouldn't mind reviewing that at some point, but that does look quite good. I would imagine expectations, possibly supply shortages, something like that. That is hampering the company at the moment, but not a long-term issue. So that might be an overreaction today. Whoops, Daisy, where have I gone? Yeah, that might be an overreaction, I'd say. Down 25% in one day. I would say that could be a buy. Going back, yeah, that looks like a potential buy to me. I would need to look at the overall situation, what the order book looks like. But what do they say here? EPAM faces rough waters ahead, stock tanks. Billion out of estimate margin, but beat estimates marginally. Guidance is revised lower. That's it, see? That's what it is. That's what I said. Guidance was probably lower, and it is. But why is the guidance lower? Sales declined 3.8%. marginally beat the analysts because on an organic, excluding the impact of the exit from Russia, revenues, okay. It's subject to Russia, operating cash flows. Okay, outlooks and core expected revenues 1.8, 1.4, below the census of 1.8, below the census of 1.18, and adjusted EPS. Okay. I think just having a quick look at that looks like an overreaction to me. That looks like a potential buy because of an overreaction. Guidance is down, but I don't see, and just initial look, why it'd be down 25%. That looks like an opportunity to me. Provision of digital engineering, cloud and artificial intelligence enabled transformation services. Okay. All right. Thank you for letting me know. We'll try and have a better look at that at some point. Dedication Mike. What's Mike doing? Yes, dedication, Mike. Dedication. Are you talking about my 83,000? Ready for Soundhound? Yes, indeed. Ready for Soundhound. Soundhound tonight on this channel, and Sensei will be doing funware on the extra channel. Yes, very busy night tonight. Very, very busy night indeed. And fantastic. What platform do you use for your stocks, Martyn? I use hundreds of platforms. What you're looking at here is my actual money, my real portfolio. This is all of my money in the world. This is Robinhood. All of my money is in one brokerage. I started with $5,000. I've got 83 now. I've never shorted a stock. Don't do options. Just buy and hold. That's what I do. And this is my real money. This is Robinhood. And if you don't have Robinhood in the US or UK, tell me and I'll give you a link where you get some free shares. If anybody wants that. In fact, I'll put it in the chat anyway. If anybody in the US, I've got 3 more people to get on gold, and I will be getting a solid gold credit card worth a couple of grand, and so will you if you share out the same. So if you want Robinhood and you want gold, there is the link. I only need 3 more people and I'll be getting it. But I don't mention it very much because, I just don't. Here is the USA. If you're in the US and you want some free shares, click on this. There you go. If you're in the UK, here is your link to click on this. Free shares for anybody. All right. Bradley Baker, you are absolutely welcome. We're live 12 hours a day on the extra channel. Here we go. Look, this is the main channel and we're always here. We're always live. Answer everyone's questions. We have to focus on the members. We're quiet at the moment, so you're lucky you're getting in. But normally we're in members only mode, so I'm just talking to the members. You can be a member of the extra channel for 99 cents or this one, just a couple of bucks. And you get many, many perks. I'm here to help support people. I only own the S&P. I'm not pumping and dumping. I'm meeting CEOs. I'm having a CEO meeting this evening, covering 2 earnings tonight, Soundhound and Funware. So we're here to help people. Ready for Soundhound? Yes, Martyn. Yep. Your platform? Yes. How long-term investment? I think I need to do more study, but it looks interesting to me. After everyone thinks some are taking profit with Hood after the run. Yes, indeed they are. That's perfectly understandable. A lot of people don't really have much faith in Hood. Now is a good time to buy. Absolutely. The earnings was great. The guidance is good. The forward thinking is great. The technology is great. It's the leader. It's why I use Robinhood. It's why I use it. I tried them all. I offered deals to partner with them all, and I use Robinhood. That's it. Thank you, Martyn. I thought too, because this looks like a solid company. Thanks, Martyn. Yeah, I think it looks good. Initial look. Anyway, no Stacey means she's hooked on the show because she is not feeling well and posted a pic on Brett. Oh, no, Stacey means she's hooked on the show because she is not feeling well and posted a pic on Breakfast Bar. Okay, let me have a quick look. Breakfast Bar. Here we go. Breakfast Bar. Let's have a little look. Stacey Bailey, what's she put in here? Oh no, what happened there? Bloody hell, I'm going to have to order another mug. Another from my other brother, from another mother, Martin. Good morning, everyone. David Hensley dropped his mug. David Hensley, oh well, got to buy another one. And the price is going up as well. So it goes up when you buy the second one. Yeah, if you've ordered a mug before, it knows, the AI knows and goes, hello, you're buying a second mug. I'm putting the price up. No, it doesn't. Anyway, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. He's broke his mug. He's broke it. Anyway, that's not what we were here for. We're here. Look, there's Stacey Bailey. Look, she's hooked on the show. Look, I may look like this and terrible joint aches, but I'm not missing the 3 p.m. show. Dang it. There you go. Stacey Bailey is in bed, committed. That's what it's all about. She's watching the show. Hello, Stacey Bailey. Look at that. She's lying down, look, with a hoodie on and paper up her nose. Oh, man, that's a lovely picture, isn't it? Lovely picture of Stacey Bailey there, look. But yeah, she's not feeling very well today. So let's do it. Air hug. There you go. Please get well quickly. Get well, Stacey Bailey. All right, I'll tell you what we do. You know what we're going to do, right? You know what we're going to do, right? You ready? You ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Copy and paste. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Everybody get well, Stacey. Here it comes. Get well, Stacey. There you go. And then we go. There you go. Right. Okay, ready? Okay, I want to see everyone doing it. She's lying in bed. She's feeling rubbish, but she's here watching the big show. The big show late in the afternoon. So, are you ready? Come on. I'm the only one doing it. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Get on with it, people. You need to copy and paste. How many more bloody times? How many more times am I saying this? Copy and paste. Right. There you go. If we can put a smile on someone's face, my time was worth it. That's as simple as that, really. Right? Everything else doesn't matter. Doesn't matter we're making money. What matters is we've made someone smile. Stacey, have we made you smile? Are you laughing? We're laughing. You've got paper stuck up your nose, live on the TV to the world. 62 countries have just seen Stacey Bailey with paper up her nose. It's a breakthrough. It's a breakthrough in modern science. No one's ever seen anything like it. Anyway, there we go. Let's have a look. Thanks, mate. You're very welcome. Mario Andretti has just joined in with ZPTA, which is why I asked. Wasn't sure if it was a solid company. Mario Andretti. Jay Long, we probably need to have a look at it then. Listened to the earnings last night, and they said they had over 1 million people apply for the gold card after the event. I bet they did. I mean, can you imagine? Solid gold card you can get worth $2,000. Makes sense to me. And on top of that, of course, you've got the 3% match. It's a no-brainer. I'm just waiting for it. I'm thinking, when am I going to get it? Got to be top of the list, right? Man, today has been frustrating. All my buy orders for Rocket Lab kept staying just above my limit buy. I caved and bought anyway. Normally would be considered bad buying the hike, but it's still lower than my current average. So all is good. Listen, let me tell you, Seth. Let me make you feel better. And this will make you feel better. If you liked it here and you did your research and you liked it here, and you thought, I'd like to buy more if it goes lower. Remember, you already bought it here. You liked it here for whatever reason. If it goes to here, you should definitely be buying. It might not go just there, a little bit lower, but you bought it here. If you buy it here, you've just won. Assuming that you liked it here and now you're buying more and the fundamentals haven't changed, why would you not? It's exactly the same, my principle, when I bought the S&P. And look how it's paid off. It's paid off tenfold. It went down about 4 or 5%. I said when the war broke, it could have gone down 10%. Went down about 5%. I didn't go all in and spend $1 million. I didn't use all my margin and spend $100,000 because it would have taken me a year or two to pay off. And then I'm paying 8%. There's no point. I bought what I could pay off in a couple of months, right? But I didn't hold back because I know what I'm buying. I'm buying the 500 best companies in the world, and they went down by 5%, not 10, but 5. It's 5% less than I was paying before. And nothing changed other than Iran dropped some bombs on Israel. Not being funny, that doesn't change the global community. That doesn't change the shares for Apple and Tesla and Microsoft and Bank of America and everybody else, does it? But did it go 10% down? No. If it had gone 10% down, would I bought more? Yes. But I'm still buying at 10. So don't worry. I mean, that's the buy orders are all very well and good, and you need to do it so you don't overpay. But buy orders and sell orders can be your enemy because they can trigger when you don't want them to. I don't mean by you've just forgotten to turn them off or delete them or cancel them. But, you're tied into this magic number. Well, remember, the stock doesn't know it's a magic number. It doesn't know at $17.39, that's the magic number. And then, $17.40, you missed out. And remember, you've always got to allow a few cents for the market makers. If it's at $79.39 and you say, I want to buy at $17.39, you won't get it. You won't get it because the market makers got nothing, right? The market makers have to make money. Even though we regard it as free trade and they don't make any money, they actually do because that's just the way it works. But, I always use, if you notice, when I buy the S&P live on the show, if it's, let's say it's at, I'm just using this as an example. Let's say the S&P was at 1741, right? Which is where Robinhood is now. Let's say I wanted to buy that now. I don't go 1738. It's already down. I want to buy it. And I don't do 1742 either because it won't go through because it's at 1742. I'll go 1750. And you go, well, why are you doing that? Why are you paying more? I'm not going to pay more because what it will do, the market makers will get me as close to 1741 as possible. They only make their certain amount. They don't try and rip you off. They don't go, hey, boys, Martyn Lucas, he's just put an order through for 1750. Let's charge him 1749. He'll think he's got a good deal. We've ripped him off. No, it doesn't work that way. If the price is 1741 and they make their half a cent, I get it for 1742. But the point is it goes through. I don't care. Don't care about the price. I care about owning the stock. I want to own that stock. And I'm happy I've got a discount. I'm not going to penny pinch and care if it's 1741 or 1742. Let's be honest. If I was buying Robinhood today at 1741, it's because I believe it's going to $40, which I do, by the way. So I don't care 1741 or 1742. Let's remember, there'll be people paying $30, $35, $40 for Robinhood a year or two from now. They will be. Because if it goes to $40, that's because someone's paid $40 for it. So it doesn't matter. People are overly concerned. The only people who need to really care about 1741 or 1742 and all this nonsense are those that are scalp trading, day trading, and out by the minute. That means you're in and you're out before the end of the day. Well, if you're a long-term investor and you're just buying and watching your stocks grow, it's like planting trees. All right? I plant trees. I find the best soil, the best ground, the best compost, the best place, the best seeds, put them in the ground, feed them, nurture them, take care of them. Don't ever pull them out. Don't ever trim the trees. Let them grow. Keep feeding. Keep adding more. That's what a long-term investor is. A scalp trader doesn't do any real research on the stock or the fundamentals. He's looking at the movement of the stock. That's it. Doesn't matter who runs the company, what they do, what the fundamentals are, nothing. All I care about is the stock if it's moving up on the chart. That's it. I'll buy any load of rubbish as long as it's moving. It's got momentum. That's what scalp trading is. And then you're trying to time the market. Then you're trying to, take every penny out of it. And you won't be here tomorrow. You don't care what the stock does. That's very, very different. Because if you want to plant a tree and you want to wait 20 years, your tree's going to grow nicely, right? Same thing. It's bad. Not going to lie. I missed the morning. You missed the morning. Yes, you missed a lot this morning as well. We've had a lot going on today. Get well soon. Get well, Stacey. 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 Get better. Get well, Stacey. Get well, Stacey. Get well, Stacey. Bloody hell. Get well, Stacey. I'm not reading that out. Get well, Stacey. Get well, Stacey. Get well, Stacey. Bloody hell. Get well, Stacey. I did ask for copy and paste, didn't I? Best wishes. You guys are funny. Love you all. Makes me feel better. I have been in bed since 4 p.m. yesterday and I don't get sick ever. But when I do, I nail it. There you go. Get well, Stacey. You got this. Get well. What do you think about Palantir? Palantir, I've just done reviews on Palantir. Lima, go and check it out. I gave you my full review on it, and I was spot on with it. No shame here. Bloody hell, get well and get rid of that tissue in your nose. Unity to the moon tonight. Unity to the moon. We're not covering Unity. Get well, Stacey. I don't get sick ever. In fact, get sick of being healthy to the point I let food expire to make me sick. That's the quote of the day. I love it. Very, very true, Martin. That did make me feel a bit better. That's the sentiment. That's right. No, I don't know what you mean. I've places limit. No, I know what you mean. I've placed a limit order before and it would drop further and I'd end up paying more than I wanted to pay less. Exactly right. Exactly right. Remember why the buy orders are there. Why are the buy orders there? Does anyone know why the buy orders are there? Why do the buy orders exist? Does anyone know? Does anyone know why the buy orders exist on a brokerage? Why they've built it into the software? Do you know why they exist? Seth, I'm asking you really. Tell me why you think the buy orders exist. What reason do they exist? What is the very purpose of the buy and sell orders? Right? I want you to tell me. Almost forgot to hit the like button. Just signed up to Robinhood with your link. Thanks, mate. Oh, excellent. Right. Well, once you've done that, if you get gold, which I recommend you do, that's what I use. Absolutely the right way of doing it. I use gold. If you become a member of my channel, Bradley, I will talk you through Robinhood. I'll tell you all about it. I've got to dedicate my time to my members. But if you become a member, it's only a couple of bucks. Or you can also become a member of the extra channel, which is here, and it's 99 cents. That's it. And we're live 12 hours a day. I'll answer questions for you 12 hours a day. I'm in the studio editing in between the live shows, and I'll help you any way I can. But yes, you should now get some free shares. I recommend you use gold. It's worth the $5 if you are an investor. If you've got $10 invested, it's not worth the bother. But if you want to know why it's worth it, why I have it, become a member and I'll discuss it all with you. It's only a couple of bucks. Oh, hello. Stacey gifted a membership. Jenny, from one lady to another. Jenny has just won a membership. Thank you, Jenny. Please thank Stacey, by the way. To minimize a maximum. No, it's not. That is the consequence. But why does it exist? Why have they put on buy orders and sell orders on a brokerage? The system isn't there to help you. The system isn't nice. The stock market is a brutal, hard, manipulated thing. It's ruthless. There's nothing nice about it. You like making money, but that's not why it exists. That's not why the buy order exists. A consequence of a buy order and a sell order means you'll get the price that you want to buy or sell at. Yes, that's a consequence. But it wasn't set there to help you achieve that. It was put in to the software to make the brokerage and the market makers money. It costs money to implement these actions. It costs money to invest in this software. It is done to make them money. The consequence, the side consequence is you can, like I say, protect your buys and limit and sell orders. But if people are able to buy and leave their stocks alone, when they go out and they forget about it and they're busy and they're doing other things, their order goes through. Whether you sell or buy, the brokerage and the market maker make money, regardless of what you do. Whether you win, lose, or not, they always make money. So the brokerage and the market makers have invested to provide you the tools to trade to make them money. That's their business. So now you know. You got to look at life a little bit differently, in a parallel way of thinking of things. You thought of it as something there to help you. That's a consequence, but that's not why it's there. It's there to make the business work and make them money. That's why you invest in Robinhood, because you make money when they make money. So you get it back. Make sense? All right. So don't think it's your friend. It's not your friend. As Seth just said, sometimes it gets near the place you want to buy or sell and it doesn't quite go through. You miss out on what you actually wanted to happen. But don't worry, the market maker and the brokerage always make money. The house always wins. Always. Gifted, received, said Jenny. Thank you much, because you guys rock. Over-the-counter orders. Over-the-counter orders. No, I've given you the full explanation now. Now you know. Do you agree with me? Or do you think I'm cynical and I'm talking a lot of rubbish? That's why it's there. It's not there to help you. Yep. Subscribers now, 23,145. We got 28 minutes to go before the bell goes. Now, I did put out some videos today. You may have seen or may have not. We've got another review just gone out. Jason Davis in the house? Jason Davis, are you here in the house? No, I don't see you. I've just put out some more reviews. If you look here, it was New Gen IVF. Just put this out, New Gen IVF. I've also just put out the plug earnings edit, which means enhanced audio and visuals. At the moment, it's in low resolution. It's taking some time to upgrade. It's with YouTube, but their systems are slow today. They are slow, and this is still playing in low resolution. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. But hopefully that'll upgrade soon. Let me have a quick look. It's taking absolutely ages today at YouTube for them to upgrade their systems. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look, it's still in 360. It's taken absolutely for ages today. I don't like that, because people are watching my content thinking the quality is rubbish. On your phone, you probably can't see. But I don't like it. And the thing is, I don't want to wait, because the news is today. Nobody wants to watch a 4K super duper video of plug earnings a week from now. They want it now. But that's beyond my control. That's with YouTube now. They have to process their video that I've already uploaded. Yes, we agree. There you go. Yeah, that's why it exists. Anyway, I put a few videos out today. Let me just show you as we come to the end of the show, because I've got this important evening lined up tonight. I've got between at 3 o'clock on the bell. I'm going to have to leave you very, very quickly, because I'm talking with WidePoint, Jen, the CEO, and I'm discussing with them about being on the show in a couple of weeks' time, and so that's coming up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send everybody at the end of this. I'm trying to think where I should send you, because I'm going to, hang on, if I send you to the extra channel, Let me remind myself, if I'm talking in here, that cuts that out. That'll cut it out there, won't it, as well? Yeah, right. So what we're gonna do is end the extra channel as well. So the extra channel, when I end it in a minute, let me do this now. So this live feed, because the meeting we're having tonight, they're not aware that you're watching, so I can't be doing it in front of you tonight, out of courtesy, obviously. So this stream where you are now will go to this stream will go to SoundHound, because I'm doing it on my show here. 3:30. There we go. So this video will go to this live broadcast will go to SoundHound, and the extra channel, switch the extra channel. That will go to Funware. All right. So live. This will go to Funware. All right. So that's what we're doing. Redirect to Funware. Okay. So if you want to be redirected to Funware, you need to be on the extra channel at the end of this show, before the end of the show. If you want to be redirected to SoundHound, you need to be on this channel. There you go. That's how we're going to do that then. Switch account. Okay, we'll leave that one there. And we'll leave that one there. Right, that's what we're going to do. I'm ready to rock and roll. Another all-time high. We're now at 83,294, 309. That's what investing is all about. I'm ready for the SoundHound earnings. So what we're going to do a poll here. So earnings. So SoundHound is with me, or Fun with Sensei. Earnings, which one? SoundHound with me, you stay on this channel. You'll be taken straight there in a minute when I ring the bell. Or Funware with Sensei, you need to be on the extra channel, and you'll be taken, when we end the broadcast, to the Funware earnings. Start the poll. If Jenny could thank, it would be very nice if Jenny could thank Stacy. She bought you a membership today. You can get some perks and benefits there. Because you guys rock. Over-the-counter orders. Yes, we agree. I like your name, Iberian. I'm ready for SoundHound. Sharing fun link, Martin. Thank you. Yes. Craig, this is being done for you, as you are a member and you requested it. If you want to be in Funware, you need, by the end of the show, to be on the extra channel. As I end it, because I'm having a private video call with WidePoint, you do need to be in the extra channel, so it will take you straight there. If you want to be invested in SoundHound, you need to stay here, and you'll be redirected here. Does that make sense? Hopefully it all does. All right. We got 20 minutes to go, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to, because we can't do very much now because the bell's about to go and I'm getting ready for an interview. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this, because I'm not going to have time to do the marketing for these events. So if everyone could help me out, all the Lucas aides, if you could find my post Soundhound. I'm going to put it on X now, and if you could share it around, let everyone know we're doing Soundhound and Funware tonight. Craig has just mentioned he's doing that right now. I'll be working on my Austin Healey. See you guys. Oh, Austin Healey, wonderful car. Yes, a lovely, lovely car. Very British car, that. Very nice, Jay. Okay, here we go. So let me put this out now. I'll share with you what I'm doing so you can see what I'm doing. So this is Sound. Whoops-a-daisy. S-O-U-N. Soundhound. Sound AI earnings call. Live now on YouTube. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me put the... There we go. So S-O-U-N, Sound Hound. Yes, Soundhound. Martyn Lucas Investor. And we'll do AI as well. Okay, there you go. Let's put that out. See, I'll do that. There you go. I also do it in another way. I do it like this. People often ask why I do it like this, but there's a good reason to do it. S-O-U-N. Soundhound. Earnings live. There you go. And we'll run a poll as well. And I'll be interested in your thoughts. We'll run this throughout the earnings. Is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? Please vote in X poll. Okay, and this is coming up in a minute. Buy, hold, sell, or undecided. And we'll let that run for a week. Okay, there you go. There's that. All right, we got a few comments already coming in, a few follows. Hamilton, hello, thank you for following. Very nice of you. Let's drop it in. Facebook. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. I'll do the sack of the same in a minute for Funware. Once I've done this. Sound Hound. Are there any pages? Investors group. Yes, there are. They'll find that interesting then. Start the poll. Sorry. Start the broadcast that. I won't bother doing it there. I've got to prioritize at the moment time. I'll post it there. I'll also put it on the group. We'll do exactly the same in a moment for Funware. We'll put it on eToro. Done. Let me come back to there. And now I shall put it on. I'll do this afterwards, unless I get time. Going to put it on Blossom, Webull, and Trading 212. But I will do that in a moment. What I want to do now is come back to Funware. Go to the extra channel. There is Funware. And also, let's do this, quote. Let's do SoundHound as well. SoundHound. Have we got the SoundHound investors here? Investors. Let's see if we have. No, it doesn't look like it. That seems a bit strange, but there you go. Okay, let's do Funware now. I'm doing all this now before I have to end the show, because I've got to end the show in 15 minutes. My guests from Wide Point are phoning in. So let's do it again. This time for fun. Funware. There you go. Live now on YouTube. Whoops a daisy. There is the fun. So 2 shows tonight simultaneously. Thanks to Sensei, who's just back. Please do congratulate Sensei. He's just got married 2 days ago. Jason Davis. Jason, I've put your video out. New Gen IVF. I will share that with you. Here, look, here. I'll give you the link in a second. Just bear with me. I put your video out. All right. Okay. Leah works from home the same as me. I'd rather not disclose it. Leah likes to keep her life private. Yes, Leah's life is very private. So fun. PHUN. Fun. Funware. I'll give you the link in a second, mate. Martyn Lucas Investor. Just doing this for a moment. We're getting ready for the earnings. So there you go. There's that. Make sure I did. Yes. Yeah, there it is. Post again there with the image. PHUN. Earnings live. Yes. Let's zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Quote. I want to tag in the investor group if there is one. Funware. Funware. There's a couple. Funware Inc. I think that's really the ones that I need to do. There's not an investor group. Doesn't look like anyway. And also, let's get a poll running for Sensei so he can do this on his show. Let's zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? Please vote in X poll. Buy, hold, sell, or undecided. There you go. Got 10 minutes to go. I'm glad I did this. I wouldn't have had time otherwise afterwards. Right, that's done. Now need to go into Facebook and do that. Let's see if there's a Facebook group. Fun where? There is that. Post. Go into threads. Share on the group. Group. Okay. There you go. Hope you all do well tonight. Hope you make lots of money. Let's go into eTORO. Okay. That's eTORO done. And now I'll put it on Blossom, Trading 512, Trading 212, and also Webull as well. So new note. Do that. Okay, I'll do that after I finish. All right, I think we are pretty much done everything we can before we end. I've got 10 minutes, so I'm ahead of schedule. So what I am going to do then is go into my notes, and I'm going to do these. I know there's a number of you who actually do follow me on those locations already, which is amazing. Thank you. So I'm going to go into Blossom first of all. It's an app you can get, and I've been asked to contribute there. Blossom, there you go. So let's do, which is the first one I'm doing? Sound, SOUN is the ticker. Soundhound. I've only been in it a couple of days and I've got quite a few followers already, which is nice. Next, right. If you want Blossom, by the way, this is the app. Can you see there? Next to my finger there. Can you see it there? Look, that's Blossom. That's what it looks like. And just search for me, Martyn Lucas, Trading 212. I put it there as well. The earnings call. There are more places every day that are contacting me and asking me to create accounts and stuff like that. Okay, there's Trading 212. You can vote stuff up. You can vote stuff up. Look at my portfolio, look. Flipping out. Just leave it in the ground. Leave it in the ground. Just stay invested. That's what that's the very definition of investing, isn't it? Look at that. Awesome. Feeds. Make a post. Soundhound. Soundhound is a long-term investment. Yeah. Allow paste. You paste that one. Have I got time? I've got 7 minutes. I'm going to get a phone call any moment now, and for my guest that's phoning in. So I've got to complete this as quickly as possible. Soundhound. So I haven't got much longer. I'm just about done though. I should be done in another 2 minutes. I can get this all done. So I'm just doing Webull. I don't know how many more things I can actually do before I actually take on staff or stuff like that. I don't know. Okay. Okay. There's that. That's Soundhound. And now Funware. And I've done my best to try to promote the stock, let everyone know about it. So now we're doing Funware. And then I've done it everywhere then. I don't bother with Reddit on StockTwits anymore. It got too toxic. So I haven't got time for that anymore. Okay, Fun. PHUN. Funware. Copy. Title. Paste. Next. Okay, that's done. So Blossom's finished. Now we'll just do trading 212. And I think I'm going to be done just in time. Right. Copy. Okay. Trading 212 is done. Okay, close that. And lastly, Weeble, and then we're done with 5 minutes to go. Perfect. My calls are about to come in, I'm sure. I'll have to end the show when they call me. Okay, this is fun. Got to take out the link. Add the symbol PHUN. Oops, that's wrong. PHUN. Funware. There it is. All I need now is the link, and I'm done. Copy. Fun, delete that. And drop the link in. Allow paste. Done. Post. Yes, I've done it all. Close that out. 22nd of May. That's when my guests are going to be on the show. Okay, so where's my mouse gone? There you go, found it. Let's have a look here. Martin, if you can't, I totally understand, but I would love to see what the all-time performance looks like. It's got to be massive. I hope to grow my account like yours one day. No, it isn't. My all-time is absolutely rubbish. I would be doing a lot better than this. My all-time is terrible. I'm still out of the money. I lost a lot of money. I put a lot of money in. It grew, and then I lost like 30 grand on Virgin Orbit. I lost like 30 grand, couple of grand on Virgin Orbit. No, I lost a lot of money. I'm more than happy. I show it, I'll very happily show you the all-time. No, my all-time is down. Look at that. My all-time is down 33 grand. But doesn't matter. This was a learning curve. And in fact, I'm going to explain this. When I was here, I like to use this as an analogy. When I was here, let's say I had 10 shares at $10. I now have 1 million shares at $1. So essentially, this is when things turned around, when I started to learn how this game really worked. When I started, I had no idea what I was doing. Buying everything, buying all over the place, selling for losses, you name it, chasing markets and all the rest of it. Kept losing money. Doesn't matter. I stayed in. The money's gone. It doesn't, but you're making it again. All right. And of course, the gains are all the gains and losses are all built in. I still started with $5,000, and then basically when I got to here, this is when I decided there to get out of the market and only in the S&P 500. So I sold for losses. I did it again to myself, but I wanted to start the correct journey for the channel. And I'd learned my mistakes. I'd learned what was right and what was wrong. And anyway, whatever. The bell is about to go. I'm about to have my guests phone into the studio. So I'm just checking if they've called in yet. No. So yeah, I will share everything with you. Everything is seen here. Right. We're going to ring the bell very quickly in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the bell has gone. I'm about to get a call live into the show interview. So what I'm going to do now is end the show. If you want to be in SoundHound, you need to be here and you'll go automatically across. If you want to be in Funware, you need to be on the extra channel and you'll go automatically across. I will see you on Funware in a few minutes. Sensei will see you in the, in SoundHound in a few minutes. Sensei will see you in Funware in a few minutes. That's it from me. I'm about to end the show because I've got a private call about to start any second from now. So there you go. I'm now going to send you over. Thank you. There we go. The calls are coming in. So I'll let you go, folks. Bye-bye for now.